Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I'm here to share with you 3 more TNs for my craft fair. These are coffee themed ones. This one is from the Sunday morning stack, which is a craftsmith paper stack. And this one is from another craftsmith stack named Latte. So let's start with the Sunday morning. I have this pink puff with gold hardware, and that's my AC coming on. And this is it's either a Dollar Tree or Michael's key ring or keychain. It's one of the two. I have a white jump band and white elastics on this one. I made 2 coffee cup paper clips. And let's open this up. Let me move these 2 out the way. Okay, open this up. We have the Target dollar spot type pocket here. This is just a blue bow that I printed and cut out and laminated, and I stuck in here for decoration. I also put in some cutouts from the paper pad that I laminated as well. This paper right here is actually from Love Your Lattes, but I was using the scraps, so I didn't want to waste anything. And this is my sequin mix for my shaker pocket or my shaker window. And this paper here is also from the Love Your Latte stack, scraps again. This first signature is a ruled signature, and this cutout is from the paper pad. This cutout here too is from the Sunday morning paper pad, and I really do love it. All of the coffee things you think about when you think of coffee. And if I'm not mistaken, this paper too here is also from the Love Your Latte stack. This is the folder. This is from the Sunday morning stack, and it is beautiful paper. I do love the design on this, and I just put some stickers here. This paper here was one of my favorites. This is the page marker, which actually started out as a folder, but I had a little accident, so I just converted it into the page marker, along with this cutout here. Sorry about the interruption. The second signature is covered with this particular paper here. It's blue with coffee pots on it, and again it is ruled. The third signature is just a neutral color, and I put a coffee paper clip, a coffee cup paper clip on it. And this is the back. The little pocket again, a blue bow that I cut out, and I created, or I printed, I downloaded these cups, printed them, and laminated them to use as decorations in this TN. And please excuse the noise. Those are the grands. And this is the Sunday morning TN. These next 2 are from Love Your Latte. I'm so going to hurt them. Let's go with this one. Again, 2 paper clips that I created using the same 2 paper cup, the same 2 coffee cups. This one has a golden tassel that is a keychain with rose gold hardware. I have pink jump bag and pink elastics. So let's open this one up. It's got a piece of yellow flower stuck to it. Okay, so this is from the Love Your Latte stack. I have some cutouts here from the paper pad. I have these coffee cups that I absolutely love. I did this little shaker mix right here for my shaker window. Nothing on the back. This is another cutout from the paper pad, and I have a coffee cup paper clip here. So this is the first ruled signature. This is the second half of that shaker window thing. This is the sheet that I love the best from the Sunday morning, and that I made I successfully made a folder out of it. And here it is, and I put it in this particular stack. And there's some stickers, a little starter sticker. This is the donut page, which I absolutely love, and this is for the third signature. The second signature. The third signature here has a coffee cup paper clip and a cutout from the paper that it's holding on to the front. And then the back again are some cutouts from the paper pad, and these two coffee cups that I downloaded from the internet, enlarged them a bit, cut them out, and laminated them to add in as additional decorations for the TN. And let's move to the last one before somebody else interrupts or we get more noise. Okay, here's the last one. Again, a gold tassel with rose gold hardware, which is a keychain. Here, let me pull these off here, and another two paper clips that I made from same pictures. I have white jump band here, and I have white elastics, which I would have loved to have a cream colored one instead, but it's okay. I might have to go and try to find some. Here are some cutouts in that Target dollar spot type pocket from the excuse me, from the paper pad. There's some scraps that I put in like in the other ones. This is my shaker mix for this particular TN. That's the back, nothing there. This is a cutout from the paper that I laminated, and I attached it with this coffee cup paper clip, so that's the first signature. This is the second half of the shaker pocket window, the the other part, and I just stuck that on there just because, no particular rhyme or reason. And I just put this particular cutout because it was too big to fit really anywhere else, so I just stuck it back there. This is the second signature right here. Coffee cups, really pretty. I love that paper. Here is the page marker, and I just had this in my stash, and it says happy, so I just put it on. I love this fish scaly looking thing. It's really cute, and I just stuck those two in a pocket there. Let me close that. That's the second signature. This is the folder, and I absolutely love this paper right here. It has hot, what is it? Happiness is a cup of hot coffee. Is that what it says? I think that's what it says, the whole thing. It is so cute, that gold foiling. This is some stickers that I just plopped in there. This is coffee bean paper with a coffee cup paper clip again. But that's the third signature, and we have more cutouts from the paper on the back. And all of the cutouts, guys, I cut them out and laminated them so that they'll hold up, basically. Okay. Oh, you know what? And I'm going to add pins to these TNs. I'm going to do. Hold on, just a second. I'm going to do pin loops, but not right now. So the plan is to do pin loops, but right now I'm going to add these pins to all three TNs. So, and I don't know, I may put this gold one here and the two white ones there, because these don't really have that much like gold foiled on the outside, so I really haven't made up my mind yet. But this is the pin loops that I've been trying to create, and this is just using a hair tie that I got from Dollar Tree. Excuse the babies. And gold clip, and I use some E6000, let it dry overnight, and it holds. I just don't want it to tear up, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna Probably once I get done with the T-ends, I might give it a break and then go and make the pin loops, okay? Alright guys,